Landslides have become quite common in Kerala, especially when the southwest monsoon downpour starts. And often this happens at night when the people are asleep. There will be no one to inform us immediately as possible. If it was informed, this evacuation or the disaster management people can arrive and get them to some safer place. That or means before they lose their life, they can be got to some safer place. But often they remain under soil for hours. Only after hours this will be known to the public, and they can be saved. So why I chose this topic, this lands, since if we are knowing the places which are prone to landslide, we can displace the people before something dangerous happen, or we can do something to prevent landslides. There are several steps by which we can prevent landslide by strengthening, and these measures I think we can discuss in the video. So the first step is to identify all those landslide prone areas. In this video we will be discussing some points. We will be just telling some points by which we can identify landslide. Each of the point will form another video. So this is just an introductory video. First point is influence of slope. So that is landslides may happen in roads where the hills have been cut for roads, or for some cultivation purposes. There can be man-made reasons, or natural cases are also there. Natural slopes may also be dangerous. Now the first thing is analyzing the slope of the region. Then influence of geology. This is regarding the type of rock or soil. That is, when the monsoon downpour starts, the permeability, the shear strength, such characteristics of the soil become an important factor. Means the angle of repose. It is also an important factor in deciding the strength. So each type of soil has got its own characteristics. So analyzing the type of soil or rock of which the region is made of. Next point is influence of rainfall. So the quantity of rainfall, it has to be analyzed. The region often receives. There are many methods by which this can be done. Forecasting through previous year data, statistics, but more reliable method is energy budget equation, or such kind of things we have to move on. The warmer the climate is, the more the moisture it may contain. So the quantity of rainfall increases with increase in temperature, which is one alarm which we are receiving of the future years. Influence of anthropogenic activities, that I have said in the first point also. For construction of roads, or cultivation or any other purposes, if we have made a cut, you have to check for the slope of that cut, or other things are also there, like dam constructions, then canals or any man-made constructions. If not as per the ecology or support, if it endangers the stability of the ecology it sustains, this have to be checked. Now, based on all these points, we can identify those landslide prone areas and create a map of such places. The characteristics of each of the region. See, we have Google Maps and all, by which we look for all the areas. We have all those global information systems, global positioning systems. Through which the data should be made visible and help people to know about. Now, GIS, Geographic Information System, shows data regarding layers of earth and all. We can use that. Remote sensing means we can use aerial photographs, satellite images to analyze the places which we have to study. Then NVC I have said, that is landslide prone zones. So such zones can be identified and marked after analysis.